Hi my beautiful friends, this is Dolly Jain and you must be wondering why is Dolly wearing a kurta. Guys, it is your Karwa Chauth. I know you're tired, you're hungry, you're starving the whole day and you just feel कि कब चांद आएगा और कब हम अपना पूजा करेंगे and we will eat. And you don't have the energy to dress up. Even if you have the energy to dress up, you want to do something really quick and fast and makes you look beautiful. Any which ways, you're very beautiful. So today what I'm showing you is how you can dress up in a kurta wearing just a dupatta and giving a feel of wearing a lehenga and a choli. So in this video, I'm going to show you two different dupattas, two different drape for your Karwa Chauth. Now this is the dupatta that I want to wear on this. You can always wear it just like this. It looks beautiful. But I wanted to look more like a lehenga. And how do you do like a Kalidar kurta ko aap lehenga kaise dikhayenge? So let me show you how you do that. So it's this. What you do is you start making your pleats. I'm just making my pleats. Got it? Like this. I've made my pleats already. Just take them, hold them together and place this on your shoulder like this. See? Because the work is so beautiful, don't hide it inside, just bring it out. Like this. Got it? See, from front it's already started giving you a feel of a blouse and a lehenga, isn't it? Now this part of the dupatta, what you do is take the other end and before you do that, you have to take this and attach a pin here. Okay, so see, and if you want you can leave it like this also. This also looks nice, but I think this will give you more like a lehenga look. So something like this, okay? And this part, you can just take it, pin it up in your arms. So both your arms are free and it gives more like a lehenga look and it looks so beautiful. See? Isn't it? So see, I've attached a pin here. I've used a small golden pin from top only because it's not going to be visible. When you have a golden embroidery, you can always use a pin from top. It's completely alright. If you have the energy, then you can get it stitched, or if you have someone else, you can ask them to pin it from inside, okay? I always do stitching because that's how I like. And for this side, instead of making a V and bringing both your borders out, just push this inside and just give one border and rest it on your arms like this. This stays better, okay? Look at this. And this is how it looks. And this pleating you can just do a day before the Karwa Chauth, and the next day you just have to slip into this kurta, get your dupatta, pin here, one pin here, one pin here, and you are good to go. I think you will take maximum 5 minutes to get into this, and so this is a beautiful dupatta from my very beautiful designer Dolly Jain. You can take it like this if you want, but what is so special about taking it like this? You can take it like this if you want, but again, what is so special about taking it like this? Where there is Dolly, there has to be something special, at least for the drape. So let me share how you can drape this dupatta in a very unique way. Okay, now what you have to do is take this part of the dupatta, bring it close to this, here, and attach a pin. So I've attached a pin here. Now what you do is take it like this and pull the whole dupatta, making a nice V, nice angle like this, and that's it. One pin on your shoulders, one here. So when you're wearing something like this, you're wearing a bandhani dupatta, I would say don't pleat it up. It is better to leave it loose and let the whole bandhani show. And it's so beautiful. Look at this. You can just gather them here, push them inside, let a nice V give you a nice shape in front. And look at this. This is how it looks behind. Isn't it looking lovely? So this Karwa Chauth, I would really like you all to try this drape. Send me images, okay? So yes, happy Karwa Chauth to all of you. Take care of yourself. Stay safe, stay happy. I love you all. Jai Hind.